It's my first experience with a Fumoto valve. I heard of a lot of guys not putting the tube on it, but that angle, I think it's going to hit the plastic and just drain down the side of the car or underneath the car. So I think I will add the tube. Maybe that'll help out a little. I cut that really short. Way too short. Maybe if I open it up slow enough. Gosh, that's hot. It's actually working very well. Oh, looks really good for 5,500 miles. I'll write that off to Subaru more than the brand of oil. Well, the rubber tube got so hot it actually straightened itself out. Yeah, I know the tube makes it a little messier, but I think I'm going to use this tube every time because I don't want it blowing all over that plastic on the car and then it running down there and getting on exhaust and just making a mess. I can deal with a messy tube. This thing works really cool. So much easier than taking a bolt out. My goodness.